If you have ever searched for how to build confidence, you have probably come across advice like fake it till you make it, stand in a power pose, speak up more in meetings, dress better, smile more. Some of this is useful, but none of it actually addresses the real reason why people lack confidence. And until you address the real reason, no amount of external technique is going to create lasting change. Today I want to tell you what nobody tells you about confidence, where it really comes from, why most advice misses the point, and one specific daily practice that genuinely works. So let us start with the real reason. Confidence is not a standalone personality trait. It is not something you are born with or born without. It is an outward expression of something much deeper, something called self-image. Your self-image is the picture you carry of yourself in your mind. It is the collection of beliefs you hold about who you are, what you are capable of, what you deserve, and how others see you. And here is the critical thing to understand. Everything you do, how you speak, how you handle pressure, how you show up in a room, how you respond to failure is consistent with that inner picture, always. If your self-image says you are not good enough, not smart enough, not deserving enough, your behavior will reflect that, no matter how many power poses you do in the bathroom before a meeting. Now, where does this inner picture come from? It is built over years, from childhood through to today, from what people said about you, from experiences of success and failure, from what you have told yourself in the moments of doubt or disappointment. Much of it was built when you were very young, before you even had the ability to question whether it was accurate. And here is what makes this both the problem and the opportunity. The self-image that is holding you back was built gradually over time through repetition, which means it can also be rebuilt gradually over time through repetition. This is not wishful thinking, it is how the brain works. Research on neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new patterns throughout life, shows that consistent repetition of new thoughts and behaviors literally rewires the brain over time. The self-image you carry today is not fixed. It can change, but it requires deliberate, consistent practice. Now I want to share one specific practice that I have seen work with thousands of professionals across 35 years of doing this work. Put both your palms together. Close your eyes. Now send love and appreciation to your hands. Just feel genuine warmth and gratitude for them, for everything they do for you, for every single day. Hold that feeling for 30 seconds. Most people feel something when they do this, a warmth, a subtle tingling, a sense of genuine appreciation. That is the power of directed positive attention. You just did that for your hands in 30 seconds. Now take that same directed positive attention and give it to yourself every morning. Stand in front of a mirror, look yourself in the eyes and say out loud, I love you, to yourself, just those 3 words. It will feel awkward the first time. That awkwardness is itself important information. Most of us find it easier to say those words to others than to ourselves. Most of us would never speak to a close friend the way we speak to ourselves in the moment of self-doubt. Do this every morning for 21 days. Not because it's a magic formula, but because it is consistent, deliberate act of shifting the inner picture one small moment at a time. Self-image and confidence is one of the 14 skills covered in the ICBI Personality Development Masterclass. And what I have seen over 35 years is that confidence is the skill that unlocks everything else. When your self-image is strong, your communication becomes clearer, your emotional intelligence deepens, and your leadership becomes more natural. It is the foundation that all other skills build on. In the masterclass, I walk you through all 14 skills one by one, with one practical action for each. So every skill gets the attention it deserves. If today's video resonated with you, the masterclass is your next step. The link to register is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.